Welcome to the Lagoon of Mystery for another Moment of Tiki. Today's episode is going to be really short because here I'm really only going to announce the names of the winners of the Tiki Bob giveaway for the Tiki Bob ornaments I hand carved. And I have to say I was gratified by the number of people who entered wanting to give Tiki Bob a home, but unfortunately we only have 3 Tiki Bobs to give away, so I have one giveaway across each of the 3 platforms Lagoon of Mystery, A Moment of Tiki has a presence on. So first I want to announce that for the YouTube giveaway for A Moment of Tiki, which is in no way, shape, or form sponsored, endorsed, or supported by YouTube itself, the MadMoravian is the winner and gets to give this Tiki Bob a home. Next, for Facebook, which is in no way, shape, or form endorsed, supported, or sponsored by Facebook itself, Schraderville Art gets to take this little guy home. And last but not least, for my Instagram giveaway, which is again in no way, shape, or form endorsed, supported, or sponsored by Instagram itself, we have this guy going to the Tiki Adventurers Club. So they will arrive within a few days and be able to share many holiday seasons with you to come. I'm happy. Thank you for everyone offering to give these Tiki Bobs a home. And until next time, mele kalikimaka, aloha, and keep on tikiing.